Hello learners, we are back with a new topic that is about environment for class 7 subject social geography lesson 1. The nature, place, people, things, etc. that surrounding the living organisms make the environment. There are three main types of resources: natural resources, human made resources and human resources. Natural environment comprises biotic and abiotic conditions, whereas the man-made phenomena comprises the activities and interactions among human beings. Thus, nature is a combination of both natural as well as human-made phenomena. Now, let's discuss about natural environment. Land, water, air, plants and animals comprises the natural environment. Lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere are the four domains of the natural environment. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It contains landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, and valleys, etc. Hydrosphere is the domain of water. It comprises water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. Atmosphere is the thin layer of the earth that surrounds the earth. It protects us from the harmful UV rays, that is ultraviolet rays, and scorching heat from the sun. Next, biosphere. Biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water, and air interact with each other to support life. Is about ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? The relation between the living organisms as well as the relationship between the non-living organisms and their surroundings form the ecosystem. There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lakes, rivers, oceans, and even a small pond is an ecosystem. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. Early humans adapted themselves to their natural surroundings. With the time, humans learned to grow new things, domesticate animals, and led a settled life. Industrial revolution, transportation, and information revolution and information made communication easier and speedy across the world. Environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is defined as the contamination of the physical and biological components of the earth or components of the atmosphere system to such an extent that normal environmental processes are worstly affected. So guys, we are done for today. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the Learner channel.